Everyone, myself, Professor P.T. Avle from the KKWA College of Agriculture Biotechnology. Today, we will discuss on the topic trademark in intellectual property rights. The meaning of trademark. A trademark is the distinctive sign or indicator of some kind which is used by an individual, business, organization, or other legal entity or uniquely identify the source of its products and or services to consumers and to distinguish its product or services from those of the other entities. A trademark is the device which can take almost any form as long as it is capable of identifying the distinguishing specific goods and services. It's a simple definition of trademark. A trademark is a distinctive sign or indication which is used by the individual or business organization. A trademark may be designated by the following symbols. You see the TM, that is unregistered trademark, that is the mark used to promote or brand goods. SM for the service mark, that is the mark used to promote or brand service, and in R, that is for the registered trademark. A trademark is typically name, word, phrase, logo, symbol, design, image, sound, or combination of these elements. There is also range of non-conventional trademark comprising mark which do not fall into these standard categories. You see the some examples, that is Facebook, Fair and Lovely, then McDonald's, Reebok, eBay, Gmail, KFC, that is the all the trademarks. The Indian trademark law provides protection to trademarks statutorily under the Trademark Act 1999 and also under the common law remedy of passing off. The passing off is the commonly law tort which can be used to enforce the unregistered trademark rights. The tort of passing off protects the goodwill of a trader which from the misrepresentation that causes damage to the goodwill. The statutory protection of the trademark is administered by the Control of General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, a government agency which reports to the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion under the Ministry of Commerce and Industries. This law of trademark deals with the mechanism of registration, protection of trademark and prevention of the fraudulent trademark. The law also provides for the rights acquired by the registration of trademarks, modes of the transfer and assignments of the rights, nature, infringements, penalties for the infringements, and remedies available to the owner in case of such infringements. The history of trademark is the law of trademark in India before 1940 was based on the common law principles of passing off equity following England in 1875, then Trademark Act 1940 and UK Trademark in 1938. The Trademark and Merchant Act Mark Act 1958 was enacted and consolidated the Indian Penal Code, Criminal Procedure Code and the CI Customs Act. The Trade and Merchandise Marks Act 1958 was repealed by the Trademark Act 1999, and it is also provision of TRIPS. The unregistered trademarks have been enacted in 1999. This is some history of trademark. The trademark, according to Section 2 ZB of the Trademarks Act 1999, trademark means a mark capable of being represented graphically and which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those to other persons and may include shapes of good, their packaging and combination of colors. A mark can include the device, brand, heading, label, ticket, name, signature, word, letter, numeral, shape, and combination of colors. Any such combinations. The trademark classification in India, about 45 different classes, which includes chemical substance which used in industries, patents, lubricants, machine, and again subdivided the main objectives of the trademark class into together the similar nature of the goods and services. Here are the classes of the product and for services. You see, for the product purpose, the class 1 to class 23, chemicals, paints, lubricants, pharmaceuticals, hands, tools, vehicles, jewelry, paper goods, rubber goods, yarns and threads. It is a product class from class 1 to class 23. You see, then class 24 to 34 in product class, fabrics, clothing, fancy goods, flour, coverings, toys and supporting goods, meats, staple foods, smokers, etc. And in services, trademark is class 35 to 45, advertising and business, insurance and financial, buildings, repairs, telecommunication, transportation, treatment, education, computer, hotels, medical and personal and social services. These are the included in services or service trademarks. The trademark registration, there are the types of trademark that can be registered. Under the trademark law, the following types of trademark: product trademark to identify the goods, service trademark to identify the services by which is provided by institute or organization, then certificate trademark for capable distinguishing the goods of services, and collective trademark are the register in the name of groups. These are the four major types of trademark. uh, Likewise, product, service, certification, and collective trademarks. The advantages of trademark registration is protect your hard earned goodwill in the business, protect your name brand, then gives a product's status of branded goods, gives impression on your customer to obtain relief in respect infringement, the exclusive rights to the use of trademark in relation to goods and services, power to assign the trademark to others' consideration, procedure for trademark registration. First one, filling an application of registration form by person claiming, then examination the application by the registrar to ascertain whether is distinction or does not conflict, publication the application after or before expectance of public applications in the trademark journal. After the publication, if any person gives notice to his opposition to the registration with 3 months, if the opposition has been decided in the favor of the applicant on the registration of trademark, the registration shall issue to the applicant of trademark registration. And today, as per trademark rules, the application fee is rupees 3,500 per trademark. Terms and duration for the trademark. The term of registration of trademark is 10 years but may be renewed subject to payment of the prescribed fee according to the Trademark Act 1999. And the use of the trademark of symbol, generally one who has filled the application, suppose pending registration, can use the trademark designation with the mark of alert the public of exclusive claim. The claim may be or not be valid. The registration symbol may only be used in the mark is registered. You all the keep in mind the registration symbol for trademark is only when used when the your mark is registered in the register office. Here some websites slides: Intellectual Property India website, Government of India. Here some Control and General Design and Trademarks, Office of the Register to the Trademark, Bharat Sarkar Vyapar Chinna Registry. The trademark infringement. The trademark infringement is the violation of the exclusive rights attaching to the trademark without the authorization of the trademark owner or in a license. Trademark infringement mostly occurs when a person uses the trademark, which is maybe either a symbol or design. Offences shall be punishable with the imprisonment for the term of minimum of 6 months, but which may be extended to 3 years. For adequate or special reasons of the mention in the judgment, the court may be impose a sentence imprisonment of the terms of less than 6 months to 5 or less than 50,000 rupees. This is some example case in infringement. Trademark infringement example case: Amul own trademark case in Gujarat High Courts in 2007. It was concluded that utterly butterly delicious Amul's name cannot be used by any other proprietor even if the company is selling goods other than the sold by the proprietor who has registered the trademark. In the significant judgment, the Gujarat High Court has ruled that registered trademark use the rights restrict other and trademark for the different class of goods. And this is trademark infringement case owned by the Amul. The conclusion of this: the trademark is the protecting the name of the product or services rather the product itself. Trademark assures the customer about the source of product through the quality of the product is not assured by the trademark. The trademark should be distinctive. In India, the Trademark Act 1999, the presently in force, the trademark protection in 10 years, which can be renewed from the time to time for paying the renewal fees. Trademark can be assigned to transmitted using deceptively similar marks, then falsifying the marks or using unregistered marks cause infringement under the Trademark Act, and the penalties against offences related to the trademark can range from fine to imprisonment. This is overall the trademark and procedures, advantages and disadvantages of the trademark. Thank you for listening and watching my video. For more updation or more update new videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.